very slowly, yeah?
Okay.
So increase it slowly for me. Just a little bit more. Sweet, there we go. You can keep increasing it at that speed. Sweet. And off the accelerator, I'll put it into third. So you're going to do a sharp left turn coming up, yeah? So turn it left and then unwind the wheel a little bit so that we're straight. Cool. And just keep accelerating for me, yeah? It's alright, just make sure that we're pointing straight. To the right slightly. Keep it going, straighten it up and just keep accelerating. Just keep it going, nice and easy. Keep it pointing, straight line. A little bit more to the right side. There's a curve over to the left, so just make sure that you keep it in the middle between these two rounds. All good, just keep it going. We're just going to gently get onto the brakes. Just put a clutch in for you as well. So turn her in. And then get back onto the accelerator real gentle. Nice, just keep it going. Okay, we're good to keep accelerating. Let's follow that Audi. Keep this from the top and the bottom. Cool. And there's an atom coming by real soon, so I'm just going to have to hustle that to start coming on. Off the accelerator. And now you can get back onto it. To overtake him. No, we're not going to overtake him yet. Alright, so we'll turn it into the left. I don't know what he's doing. So just turn it into the left. Okay, so we're going to overtake him on the left as well, yeah?
Okay.
So we're just going to let this person behind us go by first. Now get back onto the accelerator. We're going to go past him. Back onto the power. Keep it going. Off the accelerator now. Back onto it. And we're going to turn left here coming up. So off the accelerator, onto the brakes. Turn it in. And now unwind the wheel so it's straight. So now get the accelerator down. Keep accelerating. Make sure it's pointed in a straight line as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Keep it going, keep it going. You got a slight left turn coming up, so not turning yet, so turn it to the left now, and then straighten it back up, and then keep it pointed in the middle. Now get onto the brakes, brake hard, we're going to turn left, off the brakes now as well, just keep it turning, straighten it up, back onto the accelerator, keep accelerating, right. Now accelerate again. Nice. So make sure it's pointed in the middle, yeah? Now go off the brakes again. Pointed in the middle. Now a bit harder. Turn it in. Unwind it. Power on. Yeah, just keep it going, keep it going. Straighten it up. Alright, just keep it going. Now onto the brakes again. Nice and hard, a bit harder. Turn it in. Straighten it up. And onto the power again. back in as well now, yeah? So we're just going to continue going straight instead of left.
Okay.
So just keep it pointed straight. And now just come off of all pedals completely, yeah? So I'm just going to grab the wheel. Sorry about that. And just switch the engine off for me if that's okay. Sweet, cheers for that. How'd you find it?
Really fun.
Nice.
It wasn't as like what I was expecting.
Nervous? Not nerve-wracking as well.
Yeah, like, I thought it was going to be